Hawu, bekomele sibuyelane ngoba siphuphe ngokufana.
Papa ngafana mthatha ubuyelane.
Yana, hawu. Wangangiphenduli kuleyo ke. Wangangiphenduli mangisho njalo.
Ngifuna ukuphendula. Khona into lengibelela njalo ngiyelana yakhula nje.
Kodwa baba lena noma sengikhala awusangizweli nje sibuyelane. Sengikhale kangaka.
Hayibo. Ukhalela ubhoyo.
Ya ngisho manje senyothiliswa ubani ngoba ngisakhala namhlanje. Nkosi yami.
Boyfriend yakhe zathulile.
Anginayo ngintanje ngintanta. Nonke ngapha ngoba akulaleki ngazi njani ngiyasaba.
Sokhuluma ngama social media ukuthi une boyfriend onayo.
Ngishilo. Ayabona lento ama social for sure ubone le fake account. Akukho la mina ngeke ngasho khona ukuthi mina ngine boyfriend hayi baba liyana.
Akukho.
Ngasho kuphi? Futhi akumelanga sikhulume lezi zinto ngisizilile. Manje sikhuluma into ezinhle ezi-right, ezi-positive.
Sono uyamphika live nje phakini. Ucabana ne-boyfriend yakho.
Baba liyana ngoba uwe wathi une-girlfriend, mina i-boyfriend ngiyithathaphi? Hayi kahle.
Kodwa mina umntwana ngiyamphika naye.
Wena unayintombi?
Yeah?
Wena unayintombi?
Yebo nginayo.
Yes, sis! Uyithathaphi?
Yeah?
Uyithathaphi?
Ngiyithathaphi?
Ngathi ubhoya nganipokela le ntombi. Usonentombi baba liyana?
Uyanile esikoleni namhlanje?
Yeah, uyile uye ekuseni. Makabeke right uyile na izolo namhlanje uyile. Abo-teacher bakhe bathi right. Ungibuzile ngobhoy. Uthe ngihambe ngiyothenga ubhoy futhi. Uqale le nto yakhe. So that's why mina ngithi yabo liyana. Qeda kusend inbox ubhoy ayidelete. Usend inbox. Ubhoy adelete. Usend inbox. Ubhoy adelete. Amhlanje. Ongakeke ulalela. Manje uvuka ekuseni. Ibhoy yakhe ayikho iphenhla yakhe ayikho impahla. Impahla zakhe azikho nebhega ayikho. Lapho ayikho into ababaliyana ekulinganayo. Lapho akunamakhadi akunanayisa niyothenga. Uyophuma unjalo. Babelana start imoto ayistarte yenza njani? Yebo boy mangabayidloza njalo.
Nena abantu bazokusiza amafoni.
Bathi ufuna abantu bazokusiza. Amafoni adelete wonke amakhadi. Mayiloko mbhizi lapho. Ubhoy udelete yonke into efonini. Yonke into. Ake ngiyisevele life kwabelene uzobona ukuthi bank life wena ngifuni yakhe. Uzongikwatela? Ake ngeke ngikwatele phela sizami sesebuhlungu mina ngiphathise oyicanda.
Ngabuyabazi.
Linja kodwa wakwata ngiyakhala. Ayela phansi. Ngivusa ilonda ngiba yini. Enzeni ke manje kumele ngikhale ke manje. Ngikhale ubhoy azavuke. Hayi. Angilibonanga nakahle. Bele ngikhale manje ngisengivuvuke lokhu nithi sorry. Lothi sorry until nini? Nithe sorry last week iviki lonke from Monday. Namanje ubona ngithi I can't believe it. Bese nithi sorry. Hayi ngeke sibaliwe. I cried. I prayed about it. My son is okay. He's at peace. He's resting. He's happy. He's no more in pain.
Hello guys, and welcome back to Reality Rewind. Please like and subscribe. I absolutely appreciate it. Gogo Skotene recently lost her baby boy. My deepest condolences to her and her family. So she was live while on the call with Omonde and generally speaking about what's happening. So I saw that a lot of people some people were commenting saying that, oh, it's too soon for her to be on social media, to be on these lives. Some people were just blaming her, you know, some people were just bashing her for all that. I just wish people could be more kind, because honestly, she is going through a lot. It can never be easy losing a baby. She is definitely going through a lot, and if that's her coping mechanism, then so be it. We should just let her be, because she is old enough. At some point in time, if it's wrong, she will also realize it. But for now, I think people really have to be a bit more kind, because also people have different ways of grieving. Because what if she stays at home and don't post, or you know, get the support from her social media fans, maybe a bit depressed and all that. Maybe this is what she's doing, going live and everything. Maybe that's her coping mechanism. Maybe it distracts her from the pain or from thinking about what's going on at the moment. So I just hope people could just let her be. People like to play being experts, you know. I sometimes I think if you don't have anything nice to say about someone, it's better you just keep your mouth shut than just, you know very well that someone just lost their baby and they're going live trying to, uyambona nje even on the live, what she is trying to say things that could make her laugh, you know, make her smile, and maybe forget about her worries. Abese thutsha umuntu ade gogo Scotten is cloud chasing. What the heck? Yo, abantu bangcolile guys, abantu bangcolile. Uqaleni nokuba ngu-expert wena ukuthi usukwazi ukuthi usumele utshela umuntu ukuthi no, stop doing that, stop going live because you just lost a baby. What do you know about losing a baby? And some of those comments are comments from people who haven't been in such a situation before. They are just speaking, you know. I just wish people could be more kind, you know. If literally you have nothing good to say, better you just keep your mouth shut and let the ones with good things to say speak. Liza fikela kwithuba mhlazana lawo uzaba le good thing to say. Anyways, thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.